So can you explain the main focus areas within this engineering, energy engineering that you are studying at your university?
So it has multiple opportunities. Renewable energy has wind, from which you can produce energy, solar, geothermal, and even fuel cells, which was the main crux which I was doing before my job. I was doing a project in fuel cells, so I was more keen towards that. And they have a few courses. So it was mainly solar, but you can choose. You have your core subjects. You can choose according to that, other than the core subjects. So more mainly solar and wind is what this course gives. But I have changed my domain a bit. It still having the same major in the college.
Okay, so can you share any interesting and innovative projects that you have worked on that have practical applications in the energy sector?
So one of our course was basically on you have to there were two projects in that. First was an individual one where I had to do the analysis of a state in US to start a solar company. So it required a due diligence of the state, how many companies are there, who are our competitors. That helped me towards the managing side, all the sales side of those things. And then the major project was where we had to design a solar system more than 70 kilowatts, which was the main crux from which we all learned how to do the system, how to use the theoretical and the sums that we used to do in a practical design software, and then give the whole kind of proposal to our professor that we are four teammates as a four team in a company, and we are proposing our system to you, that this system will give this much kilowatt, which was either approved or denied by our professor. That was good. And now we have an end semester capstone project which is the same doing in any domain, giving them a project, giving them a proposal with financials and everything. So that gives us a good amount of experience in what a solar engineer does for a living. That was a good course that I would say. Yeah.
Okay, so Joel, what kind